Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Jack. Okay, Jack, we can discuss a few more things related to civil engineering general knowledge that we talked about last week's session.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jack, let's start today's session now, and tell me unit weight formula of steel.
Okay, sir, unit weight formula of steel we can describe d squared divide 160 kilograms per meter.
Jack, what is diameter lapping should not be provide?
36 millimeters, sir.
Good, Jack, and what is the maximum freefall of concrete?
1.5 meters, sir.
What is the compressive strength of bricks, Jack?
7.5 Newton per square millimeter.
Jack, do you know find the number of bars?
Yes, sir, I know. Length of opposite side divide by space plus 1.
Good, Jack, and tell me the volume of one cement bag?
Okay, sir. Answer is the 0.0347 cubic meter.
Jack, tell me the standard height of kitchen and bathroom?
3 meters, sir.
Jack, how many days should not be less than curing of concrete?
7 days, sir.
And tell me, what is the percentages water absorption should not be less than?
15%, sir. Sir, normally we can laying electrical conduits on column.
No, Jack, electrical conduits shall not run in column, okay. Okay, Jack. Today we are discuss the basic many things about related civil engineering subject, and you actively participated this session. And we can now ending our today class, and next week, we can usually continue and discuss the next part of our lesson. Okay, Jack, thank you.
Okay, sir, thank you.